2021 fireworks stash. Let's go. We got a 20 pack of ground bloom flowers. These are always fun. Mad Trolls by TNT. It's got a pretty cool holographic wrap. There's the pictures on the side. Then the Grandstand assortment is 30 bucks. It's got the Razzler Dazzler, Giant Mystery Geyser, Freedom 76, Silver Spangler, Flashing Fountain, Miss Glitter, Recess, Sauce, June Bugs, Burnin', Pyro Fan, Half Pint, Dixie Delight, Dixie Dust, and Trojan Warrior in it. You know, I have fountains. I don't feel like picking them out. And then, let's see, over here in this bag is just a bag of like stuff to do for fun, like Thunderbomb crackers by Boomer. That was a brick. Whistling Moon Travelers, Sparklers, and these little 1-inch shells, mini fireballs. And I'm actually gonna compare them with these, the mini Magnum shells. I think they're both peonies. These one don't have effectless on them, but the mini Magnums do. But yeah, I think they're both peonies. So that's a fun bag. Just a little stuff to play around with. And you got 200-gram cake called Panic by T-Sky, 12 shots. There's the performance right there. I'm actually gonna put it to the side. Then there's this Mr. Rex by Pyro Diablo. There was 4 in the set, but I only had 2 at my store, so I got both. There's the performance, and on this side there's like stats or whatever you want to call that. I've heard good things about those. These, I mean, heard that these are actually good, and they were cheap, so I figured I might as well. So there's the performance on T-Rex. There you go, the stats or whatever. So that's T-Rex and Mr. Rex. Then, no, I forgot to show these. We just got, you know, crackling balls, 2 packs, and a purple smoke. And a 4-pack of 25-shot Saturn missile batteries by Big. And, oh yeah, here's the effects for these. You got red peony, green peony, gold peony, silver peony, blue peony, and multi-color peony. Now, this is a 200-gram cake by Shogun called Plot Twist. There's the performance. This is actually pretty heavy. I know this one has spinners in it though, so that's always cool. And Gold Wave by Big, 16 shots. By the way, Plot Twist is 10 shots. I don't really have to explain this one because performance is the name. And you got Wild Mushroom by Brothers, 25 shots. This is always been a good one. You can see the performance there. This is actually pretty loud too. All the loud whistles. Then Open Grave by Certified Black Label, 16 shots. Let's see if I can find a performance. Oh, yep, it's on this side. There you go. Best possible colors. So yeah, this is pretty good. 200-grammer. This is a really good one. I shot this last year. Aces High by Pyro Demon, 25 shots. me see, performance is right there. So yeah, this is a good one. I love Pyro Demon too. They're really good. Another one from Pyro Demon, Squirrel. 200-gram cake. It's 16 shots, I believe. Yeah, 16 shots. It's got nice mines, and it's actually pretty loud too. So yeah, Squirrel's a good one. And then 350-gram cake by Brothers called Old Ironsides. And it's 30 shots, and the performance is right here. It's the performance. So yeah, 350 gram cake. Another 350-gram cake from Brothers is Boomer Bang. And the performance, this actually has an angle on it. And the performance is right here. It's 55 shots. This is a pretty good one too, I believe. And this one's been around for a while. It's Irish Legend by Brothers. 30 shots. So there's the performance. Good 350-gram cake by Brothers. So these are all 350 grams. And last is of the 350-gram cakes is Red Dawn by Lido. 13 shots. And doesn't have an angle, but I'm guessing the face towards spectators, and maybe it's just flat breaks, who knows. But performance is over here, up to 500 grams. That just means it's 350 grams. So there's the performance. That one should be pretty good. So yeah. I'm gonna put these back and we'll move on to the next box. All right, here's the next box. We have it's a mix of a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna grab this first. This is the aircraft carrier. There's 2 of them in this box. Like little boats, aircraft carriers. So yeah, those should be fun. Then I have 3 Desert at Night. Everyone knows what these do. They're just fountains that turn into a cake. Those are cool, you gotta have them. Then I have 2 96-shot Color Pearl Flowers by Pyro Demon. There's the performance. Everyone knows what they do anyway though. So 2 96-shot Color Pearls by Pyro Demon. Then got 2 of these 2 packs of Jumbo Crackling Balls by Top Gun. These are awesome. Pretty loud, massive like spray of crackle and stuff. So those are awesome. Then got King Crackling Barrel by Top Gun. These are like just 2 minutes of crackling. So yeah, those are awesome too. It's pretty loud crackle too, especially if you put a couple together. Then you got 3-inch Happiness Fountains by Cutting Edge. These are also awesome. They look like a little fountain, but when you light them, they scream. And I actually haven't seen any of the other ones do this, but these ones, like, all of them Happiness do the same thing, but these ones, like, they scream and then they launch the blue and red stars like into the air, and they go pretty high most of the time. But yeah, these are nice. Then I got a pack of Double Night Parachutes by Top Gun. These just shoot up a parachute, and there's 2 of them in there. So yeah, those are really cool. This is Pretty Little Kite, 7-shot, 200-gram cake by Bright Star. Actually, this might be less than 200 gram. I've seen videos of this. This actually is pretty good, I think, for the price especially. But yeah, there's the performance. It's really small cake too. But yeah, pretty good, I think. And then Puffer Fish by Top Gun. This is a nice one. This has the flying fish effect. So it's 7 shots too, I believe. Yeah, this is 7 shots. So Puffer Fish by Top Gun. And over here I have at the top 7-color smoke by Top Gun. You got white, pink. Is that pink or purple? That's purple. So I have white, purple, green, yellow, orange, or red, blue, and orange. So, and apparently those last a good amount of time. I've seen that they last like a minute 30. So yeah. Then I have Multicolor Falling Leaves by Pizza Paul's Fireworks. These are, there's the performance there. These are nice, really bright colors. And then Brocade to Color by Pizza Paul's Fireworks. And I mean, you know, you don't even need the performance because it's the name. That's another good cake, 16 shots. Multicolor Falling Leaf is 12 shots. This is a good cake too. Sonic Boom by Winda. I mean, Supersonic by Winda, my bad. 25 shots, 200 grams. There's the performance. So yeah, that's a good cake. And in here, oh, I'm throwing them everywhere. These are Flying Ground Blooms by Shogun. These are awesome. They spin and they fly up really, really high. And the noise they make when they fly up is really cool. Last one is Neon Mirage, 15 shots by Top Gun. I've never shot this one, but I've heard really good things, so I decided to try it. It was only like 15, I think. But yeah, I've heard really good things about that. So I'm gonna put this all back and then we'll move on to the big box. And last is this box. So in here, there's 2 Poopy Puppies. And there's 2 packs of Buzz Killers. These are nice. They're pretty loud too. And I'll show this first. Keg Party Brothers. There's the performance. This one actually flips over and shoots out ground blooms, so they're pretty cool. Then 10-ball Neon Party Boomwell. It's the performance, just little Roman candles. 6 in a pack. And then there's these. Sammy's Best Single Shot. If you know what these are, then there's Thunderstruck 500 gram cake, 18 shots by Pyro Demon. And performance. Oh, it's right there. Here's the performance. So this one's, I've heard, is pretty good too. Then there's Willow Combustion by Raccoon, 500 grams, 9 shots. And there's the performance. Then Time Stands Still by T-Sky, 500 grams, 35 shots. This is actually a minute long, I believe. If I can find the performance, maybe I'll say. There you go. So yeah. And last is Grudge Match by T-Sky. 500 grams, 20 shots. It's got an angle. And that's the performance right there. So yeah. And got some shells over here. Got the Shiki Blast and there's some smiley face ball shells in here, and there's some Nishiki Blast shells, and there's also demon shells in there. So that's the stash for 2021.